I want to do some palette stuff. I haven't done anything with a palette. I haven't built a single palette command yet. So I want to do that. So where, I don't even know what to start. So let's pretend like I've never done this before, and I'm just going to go command palette. I spell it wrong. Is this what I'm looking for? Use command. Okay, types of commands. So this is the package. Is there another? Sorry, commands. All right, let's look at some stuff here. So Justin Tadlock. Well, hey Justin, do you have that repo? Is that a thing that's publicly available? Because Justin's a bit of a ninja with it when it comes to commands. There it is. Justin's been doing a bunch of research on this, which is great, which is really cool. So check that out. Kevin, I know Kevin did he's actually got one that's been released, or been uploaded to the WordPress plugin repository. Kevin, if you have the link, drop it in, because it's a good example too. But I want to build one. I want to see. I want to see if I can build a command that does this. I don't know if this exists, but let me show you my idea. Where is the page? Okay, so I'm gonna just do new post, whatever. I'm gonna call this actually go to command palette. So what I think would be helpful, I'm never gonna spell palette right. That's not spelled. Is that spelled right? Jeez. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, palette. There we go. Publish. See? I think it's the first one. I think I think it is, Kev. Pretty sure. All right, cool. So there's it. So in your command palette, in your thing, you can go into your preferences and you can go into panels and you can turn on custom fields, and it requires page reload. I'm wondering if that's something that I can make a command. Like, I don't think that command exists. Let me just check. Custom toggle. So we can do things like toggle the block inspector, right? Toggle distraction free mode. Oh, that's nice. Toggle settings sidebar. So we can do all that stuff. Thanks, Kev. That's awesome. I want to see if we can toggle custom fields. Meta. Oh, yeah. Let's try that, Kev. All right. So toggle meta, maybe? Toggle meta. I don't think it exists. So we're going to build it. We're going to try to build it. All right. So let's jump into here. I'm going to do a plugin. I'm going to just go MP. Wait, do I have a template in here? I don't think I do. Plugins. I'm just going to add plugin. MPX at WordPress. No one can read that. What am I doing? It's like my first day. Maybe my second day. It's Terrence's third day, though. Create block. Okay, so we're gonna not do that. I'm just gonna go latest, and we're gonna go commands, and we're gonna say variant is gonna be dynamic. I don't think I have a template in here, so we'll just do that for now. So I'm gonna have to tear this all apart, get rid of a bunch of stuff, but we'll get this working. And in the meantime, let's have a look at what Justin's done and see what this is. So this is cool. So adds a link to the Gutenberg experience page. Okay, cool. Adds a link to the demo screen. Discussion panel. Okay, so that's all wrapped in a conditional there. All right. So I think there's a number. Oh, I have to turn my Slack off here. I think there's a number of steps I'm gonna have to do to make this work. what did I call my thing? Commands? What the heck? Might be content. Oh, let's put it in plugins where it belongs. Oops. Okay, so let's get rid of some of this stuff. So I don't need I don't need that. I'm just gonna I don't need this, I don't need this, don't need this, don't need this, don't need this, all that stuff. I'm just gonna rename that, and then we're gonna go new file, webpack.config.js, and here I've got a little webpack thing that I've done. We'll do that. We'll call this index, and then this will be source index. Sweet. Done. Done. And then I'm gonna need to enqueue that, which I think I've got enqueue a view script. Yeah, there we go. Don't need this thing anymore. So this is going to be build. This is going to be, I guess, index. And then we'll call index, and then we'll put that. We'll fix that ridiculous error. Do this. I think that should work. That should work. I think that should work. Okay, so we go cd plugins commands, and we'll go npm start. Oop, what's this? Can't resolve block JSON. Why do I need to resolve block JSON? I mean, oh, that'll do it. Let's go away. So we WordPress dependencies. Okay, that works. Okay, cool. So now let's come over here into plugins. I'm gonna have to enable that plugin, I guess. Commands, posts, all posts, command palette. Here we go. Okay, so we got that set up. I did that super fast, but that's what we're doing. All right, so now let's get into here. So I'm gonna just come into here, and we're gonna just create a command. Okay, so we got dynamic commands. Static commands are registered using the data dispatch commands that store command use. Okay, so here's a command. So what does this thing do? Okay, so I just grab that. I'm just gonna put it all in here. Oh, Terrence, this is what I'm talking about with the plus icon. I think I'm going to need to install this package. I think I'm going to get some, I got some dependency errors. So npm install at WordPress. Hello, welcome. How you doing? Did I spell it right? Well, this is going to install the icons package, and this is going to be Twitch. It's about Twitch streams my command. Okay, npm start. So this should build. Okay, it built. So it should be in queuing. Let's just double check that I am actually in queuing. Oh wait, what? So add new post. Okay, so if I come over here and I go add new post, is that mine? Let's check. I'll make sure that's right. It's going well. How's it going with you? I don't think my code's being queued. Let's find out. Content plugins command build. Oh, it's there. Nice. What's your new job? Can you tell us what your new job is? That would be interested in hear it. No. Command K. Okay. Add new post. I don't think this is getting my command. Let's make sure I'm doing this right. Index.asset.php, index.js. Yep. Use command as a hook and should be used in a component. Well, there you in a component. Is that what I'm using? Am I using use command? Am I just? Oh, it is a hook, isn't it? So how are you using yours? That seems like a very strange you're just dispatching. Oh, dispatch.store register command. So the use command. So that's what you were talking about, right? Testing created an awesome. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Okay, so this is completely not right. Who's following the Trinchera WP 2 Raider? Hey, thanks for the raid. Awesome. Thanks for hanging out. Nice. Welcome. This is for you. You're awesome. Playing with the Gutenberg blocks. Nice. Cool. All right, so this is clearly a thing I should not be doing then, because this needs to be a component. So what are we doing here? You're importing store, and then you're dispatching. You're just dispatching the register command. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm gonna put this in here. We don't need that. And then, okay, so I want to dispatch dot. Let's see. So if I just change this to register command, register command like that, that should work. Guess we'll see. I guess we'll see. I'm in here not knowing what I'm doing. Let's see. Add new. Still not working. Oh, console. What's this? Oh, understood. That'll do it every single time. Import. I was missing that. I was missing. Oh, come on now. Yeah, I was missing that. Okay, so let's see if this does a better job. It's down. Okay. Add. Still getting errors. Register command. Oh my God, Ryan. Oh, let's try that. Let's try that. Am I even? I have no business doing this. No business writing code today. Oh, it's weird. Did I just my prettier all my stuff? Oh yeah, I gotta fix that. Hold on. Not that one. Definitely not that one. Package JSON. I gotta put that in there. I think that's what the issue is. Oh, package JSON. Put that in there. And I think this will fix that. There we go. That'll fix that. Okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. Together. Together we'll get there. Okay. There we go. There's the add new post. Okay. That's not what I wanted. So, step by step. That's right. Are you quoting a, who is that? New Kids on the Block song? The Lup? Come on. I know you are. I know you are. All right. So what I want to do, so how do I toggle that and then toggle this? The Lup. What does that little icon mean? I don't know what that means. Lulz. There we go. Preferences. So is there already a toggle preferences? Let's see. I think there might be. Toggle. What is preferences? Editor. Is that what editor? Preferences? Oh, that already opens that. I wonder, like, can you chain them? Interesting. Okay. Like, I wonder. I'm starting to think that this is not necessarily like a thing that we need to do like a end-to-end test where you have to do step by step by step, right? Let's see if we can find that the editor preferences in the commands. Where am I here? Packages. Packages. We're going to commands. Let's see what we got. Source. Is it with this? Wait, is it a different package? Core commands. There's a package called core commands. Because of course there is. There's commands, core commands. What do we got? Okay. So let's see what this does. Okay. Amid navigation commands. Pattern, add new page, add new post. Okay. I looked in there, didn't I? I just looked in there. Amado. Nope. Okay. So these commands have to be in here somewhere. Lock unlock. Nope. I don't think that's what I'm looking for. I think I'm marking up the wrong tree here. What was the name of the editor? Editor preferences. I'm just gonna look for that string. See if I can find. It's gotta be in here somewhere. Editor preferences. Oh, thanks, Justin. Chat at you later. Oh, here we go. Use common commands. This is it here. Open modal. Yeah, I was hoping to open the third one directly. Or even better, like, can I just dispatch something? I wonder if I can just dispatch on the callback. I would like. So like this open modal, where does open modal come from? Okay, interface store, open modal. What's interface store? Store as from interface. Okay, so I'm gonna need to do that. I'm gonna need store interface. We're gonna call this whatever this is gonna be toggle custom fields, and that's not gonna be that. That's not even a thing. Is that a thing? That can't be a thing. Let's see what happens. if chat or the GitHub Copilot just wrote the whole thing, I'm gonna be laughing here. This is gonna be, what is it? Toggle custom. Oh, I broke something. I don't think that actually existed. Oh, I have to import interface? Okay. I have to import an interface. npm. It would be super cool. Like, I don't even know if I necessarily need to open that panel. I just need it to do what I want it to do. So if it's just a matter of dispatching a change, and then reloading the page, that might be it. Like, because what this has got 2 steps, right? You come in here, well, 3 steps. Open preferences, switch to panels, toggle custom fields, and then it's hide and reload page. So what is that just doing? That's just reloading the page, I guess, right? So I got to find out what data store. So if I can just dispatch this thing independently, Redux. What store do you think this would be? Block editor preferences, maybe? Let's see what that does. That was not it. Does anyone know if there's a way in, maybe it's block editor. I don't know what store that would be. Maybe editor? Yeah, there's an effort. that's it. I think this is going to be hit post maybe. I feel like it should be block editor. But maybe not. Well, I mean, we could find it in the panel here and figure it out that way. It's gonna be dispatching something. So we go into panels and I look at this and then inspect. I should be able. That's a flex box. Do components. Is this an actual component that I need to? I hate how we can't get actual component. All right, I'm gonna do this, and we'll try to do it this way again. Enable custom fields. So right there. Go back. So what's this thing do? So on click submit custom fields form. So get editor set. So maybe it is enable custom fields. So maybe editor store. What's editor stores comes from where? It comes from editor. Okay. So I think we could probably find where the hell I am here. So I think it is editor, but this is editor, and let's do it this way. First of all, let's reload this. What? Can't find module. Oh. So okay, so we go wp data dot select, and we'll go core. No, not block editor, just editor, I think, right? And we'll say get settings dot get editor settings. Right, we should be able to go. Right, what was that thing called? I think it was called. Where am I going here? Oh yeah. Oops. It was this one. Enable custom fields. Okay, so then we'll say over here enable custom fields. Thank you. So it's false, right? And that should match what we got here. The preferences. That's true. That is correct. Okay, so now if I go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this. Const settings, right? Equals that. And then I should be able to go, if I go settings, oh, okay, cool. And I go wp.data.dispatch, if I spell it right, core editor dot set update editor settings, like that. I think it takes an object, so I'm gonna pass an object. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go settings, and I'm gonna set whatever what was it? Enable custom fields to true. Dispatch that. Boom. Why didn't that work? Huh. Okay, well that didn't do what I wanted it to do. I thought that was going to do what I wanted it to do. Oh yeah. Let's fetch them again. We may have to dispatch it like a save. That might be the thing that we have to do. That's an excellent question. We go in here. I'm gonna call the settings. Oh, we'll do that. It's still set to false. Something's not right. That I don't think that dispatched properly. Oh, I think you're right. Enable. Where is it? Enable custom fields. Okay, cool. Yeah, you, man, who is that? Igneous Fury. Thank you for calling that out. That is what I want. Enable custom fields. Can you see that? Oh, you can see that. It's like below my screen. I'm sorry. I'll zoom that in. Sorry. So it should be enable custom fields. Now, with a little luck, that thing's gonna freaking toggle now. Boop. Okay. That's good. Right? So then if I run this, if I get that, it's set to true. Okay, this isn't updating, but I don't care about that. And then if I just reload the current page, that should do it. All right, so if I hit that, reload the page, come back, we got custom fields right there. Why do I need the interface? Sorry, no, I don't need that. So this is what I think we need to do. Okay, I'm going to do this. When you do that, we're going to go settings, like current settings. Current settings equals no. So select. We'll go select from. I don't actually need that interface anymore. And I need editor though, right? Import store as editor store WordPress editor. So we're going to select from the editor store. We're going to say get editor settings. Boom, done. Okay. Then we're going to say dispatch editor settings, update editor settings. We're going to go settings, current settings. All right. Then we're going to say enable custom. See how I almost did it again. Yeah, so we'll do the opposite of that. Okay, so now I need an example. So let's see what happens when I do that. Let's see what happens when I do that. So we're gonna go toggle custom fields. All right, so that's totally the wrong one. Oh, okay. Toggle custom fields. Am I getting any errors? Am I getting any errors? It wants me to update now, so I update that. Refresh. Still not working. I just set this to false right now. That is what I did in there before, wasn't it? update editor settings from core editor settings. Custom, enable custom fields. No. Okay. And then I'm gonna go. Whoa, I'm gonna console log this again. So we're just gonna grab it again, and I'm gonna go enable custom fields. Okay. Right. Okay. So hopefully that'll should show me what we're doing here. Okay. So we're gonna go up here. Up here, we're gonna go toggle. Fields, true and then false. So if I open this, preferences, display, it's set to false. Now if I, do I have to update and then reload? Okay. Oh, Kev, thank you. You're the best, Kev. Thanks for the tier 1. Okay, so submit custom field forms. What is this? Maybe I have to open it. Maybe that's what I have to do. Maybe I have to open the panel. So when, okay, so what this is, show and reload. Oh, what happened way after. So, okay, so there's a form that needs to be submitted, I think, here, right? So, MLID field form dot submit. So I need to build that form. Mirza Rizvi, thanks for the follow. Thank you for the follow. So I think we can do this, but I think what I need to do is then fake all this. Which, so the query setter is HTTP, but I believe HTTP refer. So that, what does that look like? It's got to be, it's when this is open, right? And then here, and then if I look at this, and it's, no, God, wrong button. Inspect. Oh wait, do I need that? What is this thing? Like, what if I just good path query string is toggle custom fields form. Where does that live? Exist when that's cool. Oh, it's still there. So I can just grab that whole thing. Aha. Okay, that doesn't change anything. Do I just need to target that? Is that all I have to do? Maybe that's all I have to do. Let's see what let's see. Maybe I don't need to mess with that status, data state at all. Maybe I literally just need this. That's not exported anywhere. No. Okay, so I'm gonna have to steal it. So if I do that, first of all, we're just gonna steal this whole thing. We're gonna steal it all of it. God, what's wrong with me? Man. Okay. And then we're gonna, on the thing, on submit, we're gonna just basically, we're gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. We're gonna do this. Where'd that go? and see what breaks. What breaks? Let's see what breaks. Any errors? No errors. No errors. Toggle custom fields. Oh, hey friends, we just did it. Is that right? Let's see. Great success. Okay, so now if you come in here, preferences, panels, toggle fields is shown reload page. Okay, so we're gonna put those back in. I got the things. That's what I'm talking about. Copy paste it for the win. Don't you judge me, the lup. No, there's definitely some things that we're gonna have to do here, because like if I do all this, right, and then I go like this, and I go toggle custom fields, like oh yeah, all right. So we might want to like, it's probably fine just like that, but you might want to have something pop up and say, hey, make sure you save your stuff first. But that is probably the simplest thing that we could do right there. I like this. This is fun. So we're gonna do that. So that's all we needed to do. Crazy. In fact, we don't even. Yeah, we just need to do that. What do we think? What do we think of that? What other little features should we add here? I guess the use command. Yeah. I don't know. That was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. Let's look at what other sort of commands that we could do here. So we got dynamic commands and loaders. These loaders are needed when the command list depends on the search term entered by the search, or when some commands are only available when some conditions are met. For example, when the user types contact, the command palette needs to be filter the available pages. Okay. Contextual commands. Oh, that's interesting. Site editor, edit. Okay, so. Numbers of selectors and actions to manipulate its state, which include retrieve and register commands and command loaders using the following get commands and get command loader. Checking if the command palette is open using the is open selector. Programmatically open or close the command using the opening. Yeah. Oh, okay. Interesting. So that's use command. This is use command loader. So these are hooks. We need to put them inside of something. Core commands are cool, but we don't really need that so much. Get context. Oh, that's interesting. So let's pull out. Let's play with that, because I know Justin was working with some things. Get context to know where things are. Now, where do you call get context? I'm just gonna try it here. Console.log. Because I wonder if you can call it from inside context. One, get context, or if you call it from inside the command, like right here. Let's see what that does. Because it'd be great to understand where you are, and then you could be like, oh yeah, don't do that, do this, or an if statement, as we like to call it in the industry. So uncaught. Ooh, get context is not a function. What? Oh, okay. Sorry, that's stupid. Okay, it's not a function. It's a selector, because that's how it works. So we're gonna need to do. It'll be select command store dot get context. That'll be that, and it'll be the same down here. Because I'm apparently a dope and don't know how things work. I'm not using hooks right now because we're not in a component, so that's why I'm not using hooks. So hopefully, select is not defined. What do you mean select is not defined? Somebody deleted it. Somebody deleted it. Oh, yeah. Oh, the themer's ready. I always forget to turn that on. I'm sorry. You guys can theme my stuff if you want. Cannot. Oh, really? Is it not exported? That's obnoxious. Okay. I think this is not been exported from the store. So we need to fix that, because there is nothing that drives me more crazy than inconsistent APIs. What do I call that thing? Commands store? Because some stores export their store name, so you can use it the way that we're using it here, and some don't, and they should. And I don't know why they don't, but they should. And that's all I have to say about that. Store is not defined. Where is store being used? What am I doing? Store. Oh, how did that work before, but that didn't work here? Weird. Okay. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm just doing something else stupid. Hold on. Stand by. Should be here. Dispatch. What? Okay, select. Is that not the name of the store? Am I just doing this wrong? Core commands. This was working, so we're just gonna set this all back to store. Store. I don't know what's happening here. Console. Oh, there we go. It's working now. So root is the context. Toggle custom fields. Post. Oh, okay. So there was a context inside of that. So in here. Justin S in commands. Did I not have an S in commands? Doesn't matter, because I was wrong. The store is actually being store as commands store. It is actually being exported. Otherwise, none of this would work. So this should work just fine. Oh, 3 M's. That should work just fine. I made a mistake. So the root is the context, but so what we can do in here is we can say if, but we don't want it to register. Yeah, okay. So we can basically not close this, and then we should be able to see what the command is, or what the context is. So right now it's root. So we go toggle custom fields. You can that's just because we're reloading. You can see that the context where this is being called is from the post editor. I bet that would be sort of different. See, now it's post editor edit. I wonder if we toggle this, if it's a different command. Toggle. No. So that tells us that we're in the post editor edit, which is great, but if you don't want to have, if you only wanted to have a command that appears in that, like I wonder if we can have that get know what that is before it gets called, because this command would already exist. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, thanks, Igneous. I didn't know what I was doing here. I'm gonna see what other stuff gets passed in here. I would imagine there's like an open or whatever. So let's console log that. Other stuff. So that close command is what closes the panel. So we got an object. That's it? The only thing that gets passed in there? Yeah, just gets past the single function. Okay, all right, well, just gets back to an object with close. So that's how we close the panel, okay? And so we can get the context from inside of this, so you may want to do different things, which is kind of neat. Like, for example, if the context was, like, you might want to load a different page or go to a different place. I'm not really sure. I'd like to figure out if there's a way to get the context while you're registering, like where it is. Because I know Justin was trying to figure out a way of doing that. I think he ended up testing for the existence of a package and then doing it that way. Oh, we need an icon. Oh, that's the thing we need, folks. What icons are we going to use? Let's go meta. No. Let's go in here. We'll do a little like meta, custom. Field. What's a good icon for custom fields? They don't really use one, do they? Is there something in here? Oh, maybe it's like maybe I can use preferences, maybe? Let's see. Ooh, that's the wrong one. What? Any suggestions for a good custom fields icon? Could be a dash icon, I don't care. Oh, maybe it's like it's a panel, right? So maybe we need something that shows like that's like represents a panel. Pane, expand. Maybe that's what we need. Like we go, I don't know, pane, panel, P-A-N. Okay. Something like. Placeholder. A placeholder. Let's look. Oh, let's look. Place. Oh, there's replace. Oh, that might not be bad. What do you think of that? It's sort of like a toggle. So let's see. Let's grab replace. Did I import icons? I did. We'll use replace. Yeah, who was that? Igneous, get out of here. 5 minutes to figure it out. And nice. Oh, you know why? It's because I gotta put it in there too, because I'm a dope. All right, let's see. Toggle custom fields. Did it work? It worked. There we go. Nice. Cool. That's a pretty simple example. It's always great to go and steal code that already exists to do that. Yeah, it'd be cool though if they just exported that particular function, but I don't think that's ever going to happen because it's very specific. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. I mean, I wonder if you could. Although this might be interesting. You could have like a show custom fields, hide custom fields based on the status of custom fields. Like you go like custom what was it? Fields. Somebody linked that, right? fields enable custom fields. That's what it was. Enable custom fields equals select, and it's a core editor, get editor settings, right? You can do that. So we could do something like this. If that's true, we're going to say hide custom fields. Otherwise, we're going to say, you guessed it, show custom fields. And then the icon can be like the show and hide icon. There's like a, where's the thing, the eyes? This one. So visibility or hidden. That might be a bit more fun. We could do something like that. Icon will be, again, enable custom fields. It'll be not that. So what'll be, no, this will be, I think it's hidden. All right, hidden, and then not replace. We'll just do this. And then put a little comma there so stuff doesn't fall right apart, and then hopefully that'll work. See? We're making a good little thing here. We'll go top. Oh no. What have I broken? Got undefined. Element type is invalid. Oh, maybe it has to be. Maybe it has to be a component. Okay, well that's fine. Let's go. Show. Is there not like a? How is there not? Oh, unseen. And then is there like a scene? There we go. So we'll go seen and unseen. That's what we'll do. Okay. So in here we'll go seen. We'll go unseen. Duh. Seen is gonna be replace here. And unseen is gonna go. I'm assuming this is the issue I'm running into. I think it's expecting a component and it's getting a string and it's not liking that at all. That's my guess. Okay. Show custom fields, which is already white. True. I think we might be in a race condition here. I think it's loading it before it's actually ready. So this is a show, hide, show custom fields. Yeah, it's always, okay. I think this is where a use select would be better. This is always true because it always gets it the first time. So I don't know. I think maybe putting this inside of a component and doing it that way would probably be the best way to do it. Yeah, it's always showing. So we need to figure out a little bit better way of doing that. This is clearly not the way of doing it. Yeah. All right, well, we'll put it back to what it was. Because toggling custom fields is just as good as this. We need to put this in a different place so we can use an actual component. So we could use a slot fill. We can put it in there by a slot fill. Do it that way. Sure this works. Or we could, introduce this some other way. Top custom fields. There we go. Sweet. Well, that was fun. I think we're gonna call it there, but we're gonna look at that, and I'm gonna think about a little bit better way of maybe messing with that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna talk to you all later. Thanks for hanging out, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content on WordPress development. You can also join me live every Thursday at 10:30 Eastern on Twitch. Check the description for the link.